Hello guys, what's up? This is Mortaza. Welcome back to A Coder's Journey, and this is the next episode of my TypeScript tutorial. In this episode, I'm gonna start using TypeScript. As you see, the editor that I am going to use in this tutorial is, as usual, Visual Studio Code. Of course, you can use other editors, but coding in Visual Studio Code is really enjoyable. This is a very feature-rich, lightweight, free open source editor by Microsoft, and the good news is that it has built-in support for TypeScript, which makes working with TypeScript a breeze. So that is these are some of the most important reasons why I have decided to opt for VS Code in this tutorial. Now, as I told you, in Visual Studio Code, you have built-in support for VS Code, but you also need to, install the transpiler or compiler of TypeScript using the npm command. I have already done so, but in this video, I am going to tell you how to do it. Now, in order to, install the compiler of TypeScript, all you need to do is to go to the View menu, then select the terminal, and here you're gonna type npm install TypeScript --save dev, and then press enter. And as you see, it is going to install some packages. As I told you, I have already installed this, so this is up to date. And in the folder, you will see that there is, a node modules folder, and this is the compiler of TypeScript with all the, different files that it needs. After that, you can, use npx tsc to run the, compiler. And here I have a simple TypeScript file using the TS extension, as you can see. And then, when you use the compiler, the relevant JavaScript file will be generated next to your TypeScript file. We are going to talk about these as we go along. And also, you need to configure the compiler. In order to do that, you can use another command, and the command is npm tsc init. And when you run this command, npx, actually, let me write it one more time. As you can see, I have already created this config file, tsconfig.json. And this is the file which configs the compiler. We're not gonna go into details about the code which exists in this compiler options file, but just remember that using the command you can create a tsconfig file, a tsconfig.json file, in order to configure your compiler. So right now we have this compiler installed on our machine, and we are going to use TypeScript as we're going to use Visual Studio Code as our editor. And also I have created an src in this folder. I have opened a folder called exercise files on my machine, and then inside these exercise files, I have created an src folder, and then I have created a simple ts file, TypeScript file. TS, of course, stands for TypeScript. And then after you write your code in TypeScript in this file and run the compiler, as I told you, the relevant and the corresponding JavaScript file will get generated, which is what we are going to talk about in our upcoming videos. So that was it for this video. I just wanted to set up Visual Studio Code and install the compiler. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, guys. If that's the case, make sure you subscribe to A Coder's Journey. and activate that notification bell so that you do not miss out on my upcoming videos. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like. That really helps the channel. It keeps me motivated to continue producing videos for you guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.